Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how we can merge two collections together. So before moving on it, let's see what collections are. So we have four collections in Python: list, tuple, set, and dictionary. So a list is a simple mutable collection which allows duplicate members and it can be changed. Tuple is way faster than list. List is also same as a list, but we cannot modify value of the tuple. Set is also a collection, but it does not contain duplicate members. While dictionary comes in key value pair, so obviously you cannot have duplicate keys. You cannot have duplicate keys in the collection in the dictionary. Okay, so we have list, tuple, set, and dictionary. Now, if we want to merge, so the simple and fastest way, which is the use of unpacking operator. So Python introduces this unpacking operator in Python 3 plus. This will not work in Python less than Python 3.0. So how you can merge? Let's see first how you can merge two lists. Let's create two lists first. Now we can simply merge these two lists using the unpacking operator like this. So when we use unpacking operator, so actual contents of the list are being unpacked. So a list contains 131 as a packed collection. Using unpacking operator, 134 will be unpacked. Now let's run this. See here, you can see both the lists have been merged, and the order of merge is the order of unpacking. So 134 came first, then came 2, 6, and 7. This is the list merge. Okay. Now let's take a similar example for tuple. I know you people know how to define a tuple. Let's see usage for tuple as well. I'm just using the random numbers. You can also use that.